In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see or find a list of all muted accounts on your Substack account and unmute them. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you had muted some accounts and you wish to see the list because you can see their comments and posts, then go ahead and log into your Substack account and tap on your profile icon up here. From here, go to settings down below, and under settings, scroll down until you see privacy and safety. Under this, now we have under who can message you. If you scroll down, you can see we have muted people, blocked people, and so on. So we are interested in muted people. We are told posts, comments, and activities from these people are hidden. So to see them, go ahead and tap on this, and you can see I have here 2 people that have been muted. By the way, I just muted these accounts for this tutorial. However, these are great accounts that you should go ahead and follow. So to unmute them, go ahead and tap on unmute under each, and you can see they'll be removed from the list, and therefore their posts, comments, and even activities will be public on my homepage because I can now interact with them. So that's how you can find all muted people or accounts and unmute them on Substack. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.